Hi guys! So I'm not here today at school obviously, but I still wanted to be able to do a lesson with you all. So I'm really excited about this lesson. Hopefully you're learning about something similar in science class right now. But if you're not, it's okay. I think you'll still enjoy it. So you're going to need a piece of paper. All right. You're going to need any kind of drawing utensil. So something to draw with. It can be a marker, crayon, pencil, color pencil. You know, if you can draw with a rock, go for it. Okay. So we're going to start with something really cool. And I don't want you to holler out if you think you know what it is. Don't guess it. Just see what it is, because I promise you, you're not going to guess it. Okay? First thing we're going to do is you're going to write your name at the top. Okay? Write your name at the top. Write your name at the top. Now, if we make a mistake, what should we do? I hope you said turn it into something beautiful. If you did, you were right. Okay, so if you mess up, that's okay. Just turn it into something beautiful. And you don't even know what this is going to be yet, so it might not have been a mess up. Okay? But what I want you to do is I want you to draw a D. But I want you to draw 5 of those in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need to pause the video, go for it, because sometimes I go a little quickly. Now I want you to do the same thing, but you're going to do it the opposite way. You're going to draw backwards D's, okay? And you need 5 of those. Just like that. Now, in between each D, I want you to draw something that looks kind of like that. Once your paper looks like mine, put your pencil high in the sky. If you need to pause the video, go for it. Okay. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Like that. Okay. Once your paper looks like mine, put your pencil high in the sky. Now, I want you to come up here right above the D, and I want you to draw kind of a squiggly line with a circle at the end. Okay, do that on both sides. All right, then I want you to put 2 lines down the middle of your D's, just like this. Once your paper looks like mine, you can put your pencil high in the sky. Awesome, friends. Okay, we're going to keep rolling. So then what I want you to do is I want you to connect these squiggles, and then you're going to connect to each of these funky things here. So I need to kind of make mine look a little wonky. Okay. Just like that. Once your paper looks like mine, put your pencil high in the sky. Cool, cool, cool. Now, what do you think this might be? Raise your hand and see if you can have some guesses. Okay, those are some cool guesses. So, I don't know if you got it right or not, but we will see. So, we're going to turn, I thought this kind of looks like a caterpillar, right? But we're going to turn a caterpillar into a butterfly. How amazing is that? It's a little tricky, so let's watch, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here with my 2 lines. I'm going to make these come on up, just like this right here, and then I'm going to draw 2 little eyes. And then I'm going to come right here, I'm going to come up and make a wing that attaches here, okay? I'm going to do that for both sides, okay? Just like this, sure. And then I'm going to make a bottom wing that comes and attaches right there. Just, whoops, wait a second. Kind of like them to be even, you know what I mean, Jax? Okay, so now I kind of have a cool butterfly, right? But what we can do is we can go in here and we can, I like to change these shapes now. Change these legs into shapes, okay? And then you can add some more shapes out here. I like to have kind of an outline this. Okay, so when you're coloring this, I want you to take your time, okay? Color in each individual shape. Now, your butterfly doesn't have to look exactly like mine. It doesn't. I hope it doesn't look exactly like mine, because if it does, then it's my art that you're copying, and it's not your artwork, right? So, you all can turn your butterfly into something beautiful, make it look like what you think is really cool, okay? But I want you to color in the whole thing. Make sure you color in each individual shape something different, right? Make it look really interesting and have lots and lots of contrast. Okay, friends? So, and you also need to color the background, okay? Make sure you color the background as well. So color where your butterfly lives, okay? You guys are gonna do fantastic, and I can't wait to see all the awesome things you all make while I'm gone. All right? Happy making, friends!